Now to a high-profile death row case and another push to get new evidence heard in court. In a scathing letter to the state attorney general, a Republican lawmaker says he believes the evidence will spare Glossip, a convicted killer that he believes is innocent. Glossip, who was found guilty in the 1997 murder of his boss, Barry Van Treese. News 4's Caitlin Ogle is live with the new developments for us. Caitlin.
Well, Heather, here it is. This is the letter Representative Kevin McDougal sent Attorney General John O'Connor. He tells me he's fed up with the AG not answering his questions and says his silence speaks volumes.
I'm aggravated the state has not taken anything up at this point and said, hey, we're going to take responsibility for the mistakes that we've made in the past.
GOP Representative Kevin McDougal calling on Attorney General John O'Connor to agree to a hearing at the State Court of Criminal Appeals to show evidence McDougal says proves Richard Glossip's innocence. In 1998, Glossip was convicted of hiring Justin Sneed to kill his boss, Barry Van Treese. Since then, Glossip's attorneys and an independent firm say they've uncovered new evidence, including proof Sneed wanted to backtrack his own testimony.
And there were letters saying that he wanted to recant, and he ended up telling his attorneys he wanted to recant. They never told the defense team that he wanted to recant.
Something attorney Don Knight says is a violation, and Glossip could have used it in court.
So that when Sneed gets on the witness stand, they can ask him, well, hey, wait a minute, didn't you want to recant your testimony?
In the letter, McDougal wants answers about destroyed evidence and misconduct of the prosecutor, saying, quote, this just looks like more cover-up. Your silence on these issues speaks volumes.
And if they have enough proof to kill Richard Glossip, then lay it out in another hearing, but they don't.
Representative McDougal, I think, got tired of the fact that these press releases that the AG keeps putting out after these press conferences don't give you all a chance to ask him any questions.
And just about an hour ago, AG O'Connor actually released a pretty lengthy statement saying Glossip's latest two claims are false. Let me read you part of it. Quote, the Court of Criminal Appeals is the proper tribunal to hear the claims of innocence and requests for hearings. My office is confident the court will consider the issues raised and render a decision according to the law. And you can read McDougal's full letter as well as AG O'Connor's full statement over on KFOR.com. For now, we're live at the Capitol. Caitlin Ogle, Oklahoma's News 4.